Hello, welcome back to our channel. Now, let's head towards the installation of Visual Studio. Double-click the browser and search Visual Studio Microsoft. Alright, there we are at the official site of Microsoft for Visual Studio. GitHub. We will explore it in future videos. Anyhow, let's click Free Visual Studio. Remember, it's the Community Edition, perfect for all skill levels. The installer is downloading now. It's done. Let's jump into the folder. Let's run it. It's like unwrapping a digital gift. Things are getting ready. This is the Workload tab where all the components for installation are listed. Let's click Desktop Development. On right side, you can see all of its details. There are many other components available as per your development need. Anyhow, installation size appears here. Here is the installation path which you can change. Now let's jump forward to install. While it's installing, hit that like button below. It really helps our channel. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. Hit the notification button as we've got more tech goodness coming your way. Guys, Visual Studio has been successfully installed. Now let's launch the technology giant. You can sign in, create an account. But we will skip this for now. We will not change the development default settings. Click Create a new project. It's like starting a new chapter in your coding adventure. It's the list of all languages available in Project Template, all platforms, and all project types. We will search for Console App. There it is. Choose the Console App template. And next, project name, location, solution name. We will go with the default. This is the list of all frameworks. Latest one is .NET 8, which has long-term support. For details, I will share the link of this .NET official site where you can get the details of all releases as you can see. Here is the .NET release cadence. .NET 6, .NET 7. And here is the latest .NET 8. The future releases would be .NET 9, and then .NET 10. So, let's go back where we were. Click Create. Now let's write some code. Run it. So, the console window will greet you with Hello World. You did it! You've installed Visual Studio 2022 and created your very own Hello World app. Before you go, don't forget to enable notifications. That way, you won't miss any of our future coding adventures.